West Virginia, oh my home. West Virginia's where I belong. In the dead of the night, in the still and the quiet, I'll slip away like a bird and fly back to those hills, the place that I call home. It's been years now since I left there, and this city life's about got the best of me. I can't remember why I left so free, what I wanted to do, what I wanted to see, but I can sure remember where I've come from. West Virginia, oh my home. West Virginia's where I belong. In the dead of the night, in the still and the quiet, I'll slip away like a bird and fly back to those hills, the place that I call home. Well, I paid the price for the leaving, and this life I have's not the one I thought I'd find. Well, let me live, love, let me cry, and when I go, just let me die.